Before the new flat rate, it was all about memorizing a complete presentation. You know, they called it the persuasion system, which is how to persuade people into purchasing. And I had a very difficult time with that myself. I hated putting pressure on people, and basically it's a don't take no for an answer type of sales presentations. It didn't sit well with me and with a lot of the guys. We did have a couple of guys that were very well. They did very well at that. They were superstars, but not everybody had that same opportunity. So there was a lot of favoritism. A lot of awards for the guys that are doing great as far as sales. So once we came to the new flat rate, it kind of leveled the playing field, I think, because anybody can just show an option, and the customer's either going to choose an option or not choose an option, but it's a level playing field. So the way it changed our company is that we're not relying on just two people to get us to our goals. It's everybody's involved. Everybody has a chance to make a sale. Or not make a sale, but everybody has a chance to show options and actually make a difference in the company. This has been one of the biggest years we've had in the last decade. And even with everything going on in the world, I think me being a part of this program has helped me prepare for the challenges that we've had. It's been a great experience for us.